Hello, kids! In today's video, we are going to draw Bluey and Bingo. Dad is making breakfast, while BL sings loudly but beautifully. Bingo reads quietly beside her. Oh, where is my toast? Luey, can you be as quiet as Bingo for a bit? Asked Dad. No, I can't. Meanwhile, Mom is looking for BL's missing library book, Cheryl the Dirty Turtle. You have to keep better track of your things, Mom tells Blue. What about Bingo? Does she have to? No, Bingo. Puts her books in a neat pile when she's read them. Ding ERS up cheese and jam on toast. Says Dad Blue loves cheese and jam on toast. But Bingo doesn't. She likes peanut butter and banana. I'll tell you this for free. My life would be a lot easier if you were both the same, says Dad Bingo. I've got an idea, says Blue. Dad might regret saying that. Where are you, Cheryl? Oh, wait. Hang on. Bluey searches through the dress-up basket until she finds hair chalk. She starts painting Bingo blue. This is gonna be great. Dad finishes off the toast. All right, done peanut butter and banana. Now there are two Blueys. It's gonna be a long day. Let's teach you about being me. Blue says to Minnie. Bluey, I say cereal instead of serious. I like to dance like this, and I like to sing woo singing things. I talk all the time. It doesn't need to make sense. Just noises are fine. I like to just leave my toys on the ground, isn't it? Better to tidy them away, asked Minnie Bluey. Nah, it doesn't make much difference. I like to ask a lot of questions, Mom. What are you doing? You know what I'm doing. Bluey, I don't really listen to the whole answer. Oh, and if I see a bum, I give it a little boom. Boom. Hey, Dad is doing yard work outside and asked the BL to pick up grass clippings. Minnie Bluey is ready to help. But whoa, 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 says Bluey Bingo. Helps, Dad. You're Minnie Bluey now, and Blees don't like grass clippings. I'll tell you that for free. Let's find out if his cereal. Excuse me, big fowl. Why do we have to put them in the wheelbarrow? They don't belong to us. Well, says Dad, you know, all that food in the fridge, that doesn't belong to you either. But if you want to keep eating it, I suggest you get to work. Okay. Cyril says Blue. Bluey teaches Minnie Bluey to why while she works. Why do we have to do this? It's hot. Minnie Bluey is a fast learner. Can I order double bingos? Asked Dad. No, it's double Blueys forever. Blue yells, but Dad has other ideas. Double bingers. May we help you tidy these grass clippings away? Result. Big Bingo has a lot to learn. I like to pretend I'm hugging a wombat. Says, Bingo hug, hug. Now look to bed. Good night. Night, night. Being Bingo is all about being helpful. Big Bingo finds the missing library book and gives it to Mom. Double Bingo says, Dad, I could definitely get used to this. What? But that sounds like Dad doesn't want any blaz at all. Suddenly the game isn't fun anymore. Upset, Blue stops playing and runs away. Bingo doesn't like seeing Blue. Sad, are you okay? She asks Mom and Dad. Want two of you. Blue says they don't want any of me's. Because I'm annoying. And you're not annoying at all. Yes, I am. I'm just different. Annoying, I'll show you. Says Bingo. She pops some fake teeth into her mouth. You look crazy. BL giggles. She's ready to be big. Bingo again. Dad is reading the newspaper when, oh, Mom and Dad, hide in the cupboard. That's it. Dad shouts through the door of their hiding spot. We want one Bluey and one Bingo from now on. You got that. The girls run off. Do you think it's safe? Amazing! If you also like Bluey, subscribe to the channel to watch the next video.